Hello friends and lovely children. Today I am going to discuss about a exotic bird, that is a lovely bird, lovebirds, present in Chandigarh Bird Park. So it is a very good bird and very active. This is from African continent, especially African island of Madagascar. So, the lovebird is the common name for the genus Agapornis, a small group of parrots in the Old World parrot family, that is uh, Psittaculidae. Of these 9 species in the genus, all are native to African continents, with grey-headed lovely bird being native to the African island of Madagascar. Usually, the lifespan usually the lifespan of this bird is generally it is 15 to 25 years. It is 15 to 25 years. So if you see this bird, lovebird can be described as active